Hey, you people are looking for a dose to improve your mental and emotional well being. I know that's what you are looking forward to. That's why this is Rajat Khatri, a certified happiness coach as well as a leader in a reputed organization. And I am going to talk about such tips and tricks that really seems to have worked very well for the people who have implemented it. And they have suddenly seen a boost in their mood and a culture of happiness even while they are working from home. So today's tip is get up and take an initiative. Yes, that's right. You need to take up an initiative and work on altogether a different problem, or you have to become a volunteer, or you take up any new challenge that the organization is facing so that you get a change from your existing work and you get altogether a new responsibility and you might learn something new there and you might interact with new people there. And the more you talk with new people, the more you learn something new, the better and happier you will feel. This one tip has seems to have really worked very well, and there are people who are suddenly becoming passionpreneurs, they are suddenly becoming readers, they are suddenly becoming YouTubers, and they are spending more and more time around their passion, or they are just taking some initiatives at work, or they are just volunteering for any kind of a support that is needed by either within the organization or within the society or wherever they are living. So please get up, bring that change, and do something different this week. And make it a habit that every week, sometime you are allocating for that, for that, for volunteering and taking something new. I'll be talking about more of such tips and tricks which are proven by stats in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel or follow me. I'll see you soon in the next video.